Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate text to speech if you can't hire someone to do voiceover for your videos. So go to text and add in your default text and just type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in hello and welcome back to this channel. Don't forget to add commas and full stops because they will pause when they hit that symbol. A punctuation, I guess. And then once you're done, just go to text to speech. They have a lot of options you can choose from, and you're just going to select the voice that you want. There's even the blogger ones. I'm just going to try the modern blogger, so just select that, and then you're going to select start reading. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You can just play it, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!